On the blue line, Dmitry Orlov and Jalen Chatfield. And here we go. Face-off won by Montreal. His older brother of the Kings, Ryan Suzuki. I'll get this one in now. Matheson, and a kick off the skate.
That went in, I thought. Maybe it hit both posts. That was unbelievable. Cole Caulfield thinks it's in the back of the net.
Montreal connecting the dots. He knocked away from Caulfield, especially with play up for Guentzel. He's got Aho with him. Guentzel stops across the rink. It's Jarvis. Jarvis clinks the middle.
Excellent middle lane drive from Aho that creates that passing seam.
Now it's Slafkovsky. Put a low drive. That's kicked away by
D'Angelo on the back end. This was the middle lane drive from Aho. That creates that passing lane.
And Brady Shea just continues to make play after play in all ends of the rink as Martinook muscles this one out in front. Natchez chops one on the back end, and Montembeault has to make the save. Too far, and Montreal in possession.
Slafkovsky is ticking big time. I mean, 9-game point streak.
Now Svechnikov with the cuts to the middle of the rink, and that ricochets.
When you think about perseverance, dedication, sportsmanship to the game, and he and Sebastian Aho, the month concluding after this game, they have to be prime candidates when you think about the NHL 3 stars of the month.
Without a doubt. Nearing the end of March, Matheson with it for Montreal. On his pass, and across, and Slafkovsky shot right on. What a save as Kochetkov.
Watch his route. It's not lateral. Watch how he moves towards the puck. See? It's all low. And it's not just east-west. There's some north in it. And then he squeezes the arm.
Svechnikov spots Jarvis. Now Burns with it. Good puck movement from Carolina here. Burns moving in. His shot right on. Montembeault with the save. Rebound comes out. Gets with the try. Another save. Svechnikov. He'll plinko that just wide. And there's Caulfield. Tripp has mentioned he's got his dancing shoes on here tonight. Putting it out in front. Kochetkov with a monstrous save.
Sauce from Suzuki to create that chance from the goal line.
Now shorthanded chance. Stahl catching up to it. Stahl goes in. He scores! Shorthanded. The captain has put Carolina in the lead. 1-0.
Kochetkov looking for his 20th win has been immense so far. You've got a shorthanded opportunity for the captain. What effort from Teravainen to get it to Stahl, and then the right kind of ping off the post and in for the all-important first goal of the hockey game, approaching the halfway point of regulation. Is through Fiddler's roof, and I think that's an example of it there.
As the third period's underway, Jarvis and Svechnikov exchange. Svechnikov, he'll flip it to Burns. Across the rink, Aho with it. Back for Burns. Now it's Aho. Guentzel, high slot. That shot gets a rebound. They score! Sebastian Aho to the rebound. It's a power play goal for Carolina and a 2-0 lead in Montreal.
Because Jarvis pays the price as a net front. Watch Jarvis move to maximize his net front. And Guentzel's shot eventually goes off the leg of Seth Jarvis and right onto the tape of a converging Aho. If Aho is becoming a spectator, if you don't have the convergence to get to the net once pucks are going there.
Now back out to the middle of the ring where Carolina's Slavin will push this up for Jarvis. Jarvis takes a look. He'll get it to Svechnikov. He's got an angle in Montembeault with a strong save there. He'll find Matheson. Empty net. As making his way to the Montreal bench is Montembeault, pulled by Marty St. Louis. And now a free chance here. Guentzel, he'll get it to Jarvis. Bingo! Seth Jarvis buries it into the empty net. And it's 3-0 Carolina with 2:48 left here in the third.
As unselfish of an empty net goal as you will ever see. He's eventually going to get it. Heck of a job. Jumping in Aho after Shea was battling Slafkovsky. Could have gone for the empty net. Second unselfish play. Guentzel could have taken the mail himself. And he knew Jarvis was on the right side. What a win. What a month. This unbelievably busy month for Carolina.
As the puck's dropped and the horn goes. The Carolina Hurricanes